I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the hardware. Confirm your router has a free LAN port and use a Cat5e or Cat6 cable for gigabit speeds. Once done, power on the Xbox Series X and your router so both are active. Make sure other heavy network devices are off to avoid confusion while testing. Now, take the Ethernet cable and firmly insert it into the console's rear RJ45 port until it clicks. This immediate action reduces setup variables and speeds troubleshooting. Once the cable is connected, go to Settings, then General, and open Network Settings so you can configure the wired connection. Select Wired Network. The Xbox will usually receive an IP via DHCP automatically. This is the fastest path. Make sure to run network statistics and test multiplayer to verify latency and NAT type. If you need fixed addressing for port forwarding, set a static IP in the advanced settings and enter matching router reservations. This step prevents address conflicts for consistent. Finish by confirming your NAT status is open or at least moderate so multiplayer works smoothly. Download a quick update or game to test real throughput. If speeds are low or NAT is strict, power cycle the router and the Xbox, then rerun network tests. This simple reset resolves many link negotiation issues. If problems persist, check the cable and try a different router port, or use Router Co-S or a managed switch to prioritize the console's traffic for consistent ping and throughput.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.